Oh my god, my ADD. Amanda, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes every day to hang out with me. Today's video, I have the GLITZGLAMBOX for January 2020. GLITZGLAMBOX is $16 a month, and you usually get a pair of lashes and glitter in every single month. That is how I build up my lash collection, and I have discovered some fun indie brands and products through the subscription as well. My GLITZGLAM playlist will be linked to watch previous unboxings. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get into it. This reminds me of IPSY packaging. What? There's a brush set. Ooh, La Beauté Soy Ensemble Pro Makeup Brush Collection 10-piece. Fancy. This is cool. It retails for $27. I love this case. Oh my gosh. Is it? It's pink and purple. Two of my favorite colors. Oh my god, my ADD has spiked. Oh, these are gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love purple and they're super soft. Oh my gosh. These kind of remind me of the crown brushes that we got in a a Slay Glam box a couple months ago. I can't stop. I love getting brushes in a subscription box because I have a lot to clean. These are just some of my face brushes. You guys know this infamous blue jar of eye brushes. That's just one. There's another one in the bathroom. So receiving brushes is prolonging cleaning them even more. Not knowing this brand, I am super impressed because this softness is unreal. I am really excited to try these on the face. Oh, it looks like one brush got a little bit bent. It's okay, I'll fix it. It's one I need, the eye shading brush. I'm really excited to see how these apply makeup. I hope that they aren't too soft because I normally like a little bit more density in my brushes, but we shall see. Maybe this will be nice and diffused. Only brush I don't know if I will use is this fan brush. I don't really use fan brushes anymore. If you guys use a fan brush, do you guys use it for your highlighter or do you guys use it for other things? I would love to know. That way I don't declutter all of my fan brushes. And as much as I love this case, I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not, but it's super cute. Maybe if I can fit some other brushes in here in its place, it might become of some use for travel. Pink, purple, pink, purple, pink, purple. And then we got some other products. We don't do basic is what the sticker says. Ooh. Wow, we have a lot of stuff right here. We have this lash kit that retails for $3 and it comes with some lash glue, which is really nice to include. Kind of annoying to receive lashes in a box and not have any glue with it, especially if you don't wear lashes on the reg. So if someone is testing out lashes for the first time, they already have some glue for these, as well as if they get another pair in a future box. I feel like these lashes are not that dramatic. I feel like if I were to put these on, it would actually look like my lashes are showing up. Like right now, you probably can't even tell that I have lashes. I have 2 coats of mascara on. I feel like these lashes would definitely help a situation of just very natural makeup like this, just to have the eyes pop a little bit more. And then I have this lip gloss by the brand Nicka K. This is the Lip Shine. I really like this shade. It's pretty. Ooh, that's a very opaque gloss. It looks like a lipstick. Okay. That would be really good to put over a red lipstick. I have so many red lipsticks like this, so maybe just to add a glossy effect, this would do really good. And then the last product we have by the brand Absolute Loose Glitter and Glitter Glue Kit, and it retails for $6. I really like this hot pink glitter that I received, and I have glitter glue. Maybe I will actually use glitter now that I have the appropriate tool to apply it with. I know I'm usually hesitant on trying glitter just because they aren't eye safe, but it is a lot of fun. I have definitely accumulated a lot of glitter through the subscription, so maybe I'll have to put it to the test with that glitter glue. For GLITZGLAM, I don't think it was a bad month. I think including a brush set definitely changed it up a little bit instead of just receiving eyeshadow palette, and it's a full brush kit for your face and your eyes. I really enjoyed how the gloss swatched. It didn't feel sticky. It was very opaque for a gloss as well. It would have fooled me for being a lipstick. I'm excited to try the lashes. Maybe it'll look good for neutral looks. Maybe I would actually wear false lashes to work. And then the glitter, it's just something that I might need to try down the line and see, because it's something that I don't really use. Glitz Glam isn't the most high value item box that you'll get. I enjoy it because of the different products that you get, like lashes and either an eye palette or a fun brush kit. And we usually see some lip products, and it's just fun. It's refreshing to learn about some other brands. Like, I haven't heard of anything in this box before. That's one of my favorite things about the subscription box, as well as getting lashes, because lashes is something that I'm still working on. My Duo Lash Quick Adhesive helps me so much, and now that I have some lashes that could be more everyday and not too dramatic, like you might not be able to tell that I am wearing lashes with these. Actually, because of how pitiful mine are, you might be able to. And it's something that I don't expect to get a $100+ value. It's more of trying out new brands for me and building up my lash collection. But I always look forward to it. Their customer service is great as well. I think it's another great option depending on your budget or what your preferences are in a beauty subscription. I definitely think that this is a good contender. Let me know if you guys get Glitz Glam. Did you guys get a different brush set than I did, or a different shade gloss, or a different shade of glitter, or more dramatic lashes than I did? I really haven't seen any spoilers or variations of this month's box, so I'm really curious to see what everyone else got and how the products worked out for you. I know I am looking forward to trying out all of these different products, especially these brushes. Like, I'm still obsessed of how soft that they are. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.